Howdy, my name is Derek Henry with XLEV8 Consulting, and in this how-to video we're going to talk about a macro called Bulk File Copy. Now what this is going to do is enable you to quickly and easily copy a lot of different file types. They don't have to be Excel, but that does tend to be pretty common. These are the files themselves. This is not the content of files. There are other macros that can help you do that. Copy different ranges from sheets and files. This is actually the files themselves somewhere on the network. So to run this, there are a couple of options, but the easiest one is to use the search box. Start typing bulk file, go down to bulk file copy, and it's going to create a sheet. If it does not find the sheet in your file, this one down here called bulk file copy, okay? If it is in your file, it's going to process it. So once it creates that for you, fill in the required columns, which are very easy here, just a copy file path and a paste file path. And then the next time you run it, it's going to process that, and it's actually going to build them for you. Now, to show you what we're going to do here with one that's already filled in so you don't have to watch me doing that, we've got this folder here. We've got a template file, and let's say we want to build that template. Maybe it's for budgeting purposes, or we want to distribute something. We want to give one to each of these locations or regions or departments or something. Okay, we have all these different folders here, which you can easily list those out with the list directory contents macro. There's nothing in each of these folders, okay? Now, when we run this, we're going to copy that template file, right? So here's the entire path, including the file name and the extension, and here's what we want to paste it to. So very similar, but we're going to rename it. And the beauty of Excel is that you can use formulas to build this file path. So if you have a list of location numbers, then copy and paste that, or reference it, or something, right? Makes it very easy to do that. And Excel is great at doing those kinds of things, giving you the power of referencing, a lot like programming languages. So when we run this again, we're going to type in bulk file copy, or part of it, run it again, it's going to process it. So in a matter of seconds, 27 files were copied. That probably took a lot longer if you were going to do it manually. So if we go back over into the folder, right, we can see what's going on here. It made all of these files for us. So here's the very first one, 8701 underscore, and then the date at the end. That's just my preferred way of naming files. And if you went into all the other folders, you would see that it copied those as well. And that's all there is to it. Just imagine how much time that can save. The more parts of the business that you have, this can save a lot of time. It doesn't even have to be business. This could be personal if you're just trying to create a bunch of folders and files, right? So that's all there is to it. Hopefully you see the potential for this to save a lot of time. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your day.